Welcome to the world of project management. If you're new to the field, it can be overwhelming, but don't worry, we're here to help. Let's go over some basic concepts to get you started. First, let's define what a project is. A project is a temporary effort to create a unique product, service, or result. It has a specific goal, a defined start and end date, and a budget. As a project manager, your main responsibility is to plan, execute, and close the project. This includes defining the project's scope, setting milestones, and creating a schedule. You'll also need to manage resources, including people and materials. There are two main approaches to managing projects: Agile and Waterfall. These are overarching frameworks that provide a structure for managing projects. Agile emphasizes flexibility and adaptability and is commonly used in IT and technology projects, while Waterfall is more linear and structured, typically used for construction and building physical assets. Understanding these frameworks at a high level will help you choose what kinds of projects you might be best suited to managing. Another important aspect of project management is communication. As a project manager, you'll need to keep all stakeholders informed of the project's progress and any potential issues. You'll also need to manage team dynamics and resolve any conflicts that arise. Communication is often thought to be the #1 success factor in managing projects. Finally, it's important to understand the importance of monitoring and controlling the project. This includes keeping track of the budget and schedule, managing risk and issues as they arise, as well as making adjustments as needed to keep the project on track. These are just a few basic concepts to get you started in project management. Remember, it's a dynamic and constantly evolving field, so stay curious and keep learning. Good luck! If you found this content useful, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more PM tips.